Sometimes life knocks you down so many times that you start believing maybe you were never meant to rise again. But then comes a story like that of Colonel Harland Sanders, a man who proved that age, failure, and rejection cannot stop you if your determination burns brighter than your circumstances. Imagine being rejected more than 1,000 times and still having the courage to keep going. Imagine building your dream not in your youth, but at the age when most people retire. This is not just a story, it is a living proof that it is never too late to chase your dreams. Harland Sanders was born in Henryville, Indiana, in 1890. His childhood was far from easy. When he was just 6 years old, tragedy struck. His father died suddenly, leaving the family in poverty. His mother had to work in a factory to earn money, which meant Harland, being the eldest child, had to take care of his younger siblings. At an age when children usually play with toys, Harland was cooking meals for his family, experimenting with recipes, and learning the value of responsibility. He didn't know then, but those early cooking lessons would one day change the world. But life didn't make things easy. School was not his strength. He dropped out in the 7th grade because he couldn't manage studies and responsibilities together. Without education, without money, and without support, Harland entered adulthood with nothing but his hands to work. Over the years, he tried many jobs: farmhand, streetcar conductor, insurance salesman, and even a railroad worker. But in every single one of them, he failed or was fired. People mocked him, saying he couldn't hold a job, that he was good for nothing. Imagine the weight of rejection piling up again and again. Most people would give up, but Harland had something inside him, an unwillingness to accept defeat. By the age of 40, life was still cruel to him. He opened a small service station in Corbin, Kentucky, where he served food to travelers who stopped for fuel. He had no fancy restaurant, no waiters, not even proper seating arrangements. People ate his food right at the table in his gas station. But here, something magical started happening. His fried chicken, made with a special blend of spices and herbs, began attracting customers from far and wide. Word spread about the man at the gas station who made the best fried chicken anyone had ever tasted. For the first time, Harland felt that he had found something that truly belonged to him. But just when life seemed to give him a little hope, disaster struck again. A new highway was built that bypassed his restaurant. Almost overnight, the steady stream of customers disappeared. At the age of 65, Harland Sanders was broke. He had no business, no money, and was living off a small monthly Social Security check of just $105. Most people at that age retire quietly, surrendering to life's cruel fate. But Harland was not most people. With nothing to lose and everything to prove, he did something extraordinary. He took his recipe for fried chicken, packed his pressure cooker, and set out to sell his chicken to restaurants across America. He drove around in his old car, slept inside it most nights, and walked into restaurants offering to cook his chicken for free just to prove its taste. But instead of success, he faced rejection over and over again. Do you know how many times Colonel Sanders was told no? 1,009 times. Imagine that. More than 1,000 doors slammed in his face. More than 1,000 people rejecting the dream he believed in with all his heart. Most of us give up after 3 rejections, maybe 10, maybe 20. But 1,009, that's enough to break anyone. Yet Harland Sanders didn't quit. Every single no pushed him closer to the one yes he was waiting for. Finally, after years of knocking on doors, a restaurant agreed to try his recipe. And just like that, the world's love affair with Kentucky Fried Chicken began. His blend of 11 herbs and spices became legendary. Soon more restaurants signed on, and by franchising his recipe, Colonel Sanders built what we now know as KFC. The old man in a white suit with a friendly smile became an icon recognized around the globe. By the time he sold his company, Colonel Sanders had created a multi-million-dollar empire, but more than wealth, he created a legacy. His story tells us something powerful: it's never too late. At 65, when most people give up, he started the journey of his life. He proved that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to success. Behind the smiling face of Colonel Sanders is a lifetime of pain, rejection, and resilience. He wasn't born successful. He wasn't born rich. He wasn't even born talented in business. He built his success out of persistence, courage, and an unshakable belief that he could do it. His story is a message to all of us. You may fail, you may fall, but if you keep getting back up, nothing in the world can stop you. Next time you see the KFC logo, remember it's not just about fried chicken. It's about a man who never gave up no matter how hard life became. It's about a man who was rejected 1,009 times but still found his yes. It's about believing in yourself when the world laughs at you. So whenever you feel like quitting, whenever life seems unfair, remember Colonel Sanders. If he could start his empire at 65, what excuse do you have? Because in the end, success is not about how many times you fall. It's about how many times you rise again.